guys, today we're doing a update. Was this the first one? This is the first update to the Harry Potter Project Pan. This project pan was started by Christina Chang. And I've been doing this on my YouTube and my Instagram. So if you're following me on Instagram, you'll also be seeing an update there today. This is a project pan. It's a rolling project pan. I will leave the original video linked down below, and I'll also have it pop up in one of the corners, whichever corner it pops up in. I'm not 100% sure. This is a rolling project pan that started on May 13th of this year, and it goes until December 13th of this year. I'll be honest with you, I was like, when I first started this project pan, I was like, oh, this is gonna be so easy. Like, okay, no. Having only 7 months, is that 7 months? To do a project pan is not, but it's like a rolling, I don't know, maybe I picked the wrong products, I don't know. Anyways, monthly updates, rolling project pan. I'm using 4 products at a time. There are 4 prompts. I will be going over those with you again today while I discuss my products. And yeah, I did make a little bit of progress in my products. I used up an entire product, so I'm rolling a new one in. So there is at least something to give you an update about, but I'll be honest, I'm a little concerned about this project pan because this is definitely not what I expected. I don't know. I think I'm psyching myself out. It's harder than I thought it was gonna be, but when I was watching the original intro video by Christina Chang, which I'll link her video down below as well, I noticed that she had said that you could choose to use a product a certain amount of times, and I was like, no, screw that. I'm gonna just use it to completion, and I think that was my issue, honestly. I'm pretty sure that one was it. But let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start talking about these products. So the first product was House Pride, which was a product that represents your house. My house was Ravenclaw. For that product, I picked the ColourPop, the BFF Cream Gel Liner in DTLA. It's a blue liner. The writing is pretty much all written off. I like this one. There's still, like, that's not even fully put up, and I'm kind of like breaking it every time I do that, so I'm trying really hard not to do that. I've been using this every day, and I am making progress in it, which is nice. I like the fact that all of the writing is like being taken off of this because I feel like that's a good sign. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I really like that though. It makes me happy because it's like it's getting use. I have no idea how much is left in this though. I know there's a lot, and I'm just gonna keep trucking with it. I do feel like I've made good progress. This is the longest that one of these, I've used up quite a bit of these in the last couple of years. And this is, I feel like, taking me the longest, and there's still so much left. But it is a really pretty eyeliner. I actually really like it. I've been doing a lot of pink looks because I'm trying to use up that damn Huda Beauty Neon Pink Obsessions palette. And actually, I think that this complements like the pinks and purples in that palette really well. So I'm pretty okay with that. I think that this works nicely. For prompt number 2, it's a Peeves, a product you initially hated but grew to love. So for me, I chose the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. This one, I honestly don't know how much I've used. Like, I could have definitely used a lot more of this, and that was my bad. But I have been using it on and off. I just need to remember to reapply, especially with a lip gloss, because I feel like I would go through this so quickly if I actually reapplied it when I, like, lost the gloss off of my lips. I will say, for a lip gloss, this is my favorite. I'm not a lip gloss wearer, but for a lip gloss, this is my absolute favorite lip gloss. But I need to definitely get better about using it up more and reapplying throughout the day. I don't know. I am making a little bit of progress, but this is probably like the least exciting one because this is the one that I've definitely used the least because I'm not typically a lip gloss wearer. I really do like this. I just never reach for it, which is why it's in this project pan, but now, you know, I'll figure it out. Number 3 for the prompts was Mrs. Weasley's Christmas Sweater, a product that always makes you feel good when you use it. So for me, I had chose the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Metalhead. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but we officially have like a gap in the middle there, and it's like a decent sized gap, which makes me really happy. My only concern now, and like I knew that I was getting close to it because I'm not picking up a whole lot of glitter every time I use this anymore. My concern now is just like, how do I get the rest of that out? Like, I don't know. But I feel like this one I made some pretty decent progress in. I haven't been wearing it a whole lot. because I've been doing so many pink eyeshadow looks with blue eyeliner and it's just been a little... But I am really happy with the progress that I've made. Oh no, I feel like my gap is closing in now. I've been trying to store it upright. I'm gonna have to go in with like a spatty or something. I have no idea. Maybe I can depot it into like an actual little pot. I don't know. It's definitely gonna be interesting to try to use this up to completion. I did not think about that when I chose this, but I'm glad that I chose this because this has just been in my collection for so long. I've got several of these. Something's got to give at some point. The fourth prompt in the project is extendable ears, a product you bought because you heard someone else mention it or recommend it. So that's the one that I used up. I had this little clean cool cotton and grapefruit perfume. It was only 0.14 fluid ounces, but I used it up. This actually smelled really good, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's such like a fresh, clean scent, obviously, but it's so like brightening and like mood uplifting. I really liked this. My daughter likes to come in here and steal my perfume, so she did help me use this up, but I still feel like that's like a celebratory thing. I've switched over to my cruelty-free perfumes. I really need to do an updated cruelty-free perfume collection because I didn't have very many when I originally did like my cruelty-free declutter, and like I got rid of all my non-cruelty-free perfumes. But I've since restocked and I have a lot of cruelty-free perfumes now, and I feel like that would be helpful. Anyways, that's a total tangent. This one was really nice, and this brand is cruelty-free. I'm really happy it's gone though, because I bought this as like a layering set forever ago. I cannot stop smelling it, oh my god. I bought this as a layering set forever ago, and it's really great, but these are just so tiny and I never use them because I have them all in like a little jar and they just kind of get lost in there, so it needed to be done. But I'm going to roll in a new product for the extendable ears prompt, a product you bought because you heard someone else mention and recommend it. This is definitely going to probably age me on YouTube because I have not heard anybody talk about this in a couple of years, but I bought it. I still have like a little part of the plastic around it, but I bought it because everybody talked about this for so long. It's the NYX Honey Do Me Up Honey Primer. It's like, I don't know if this was like an Instagram thing or what, but I heard this talked about so much. It was always recommended. If you were looking for like a drugstore primer, this is always what people would go to for the longest time, and I never had tried it. So I ended up picking it up at some point. I bought it because it was so recommended and everybody was so in love with it, and then I never used it. Ever. I have never used this, and so this is only 0.776 fluid ounces, so it's not even a full ounce of primer, and it's actually kind of pricey. Like, obviously I'll link all these products down below, but I was really surprised at how pricey this was, considering the fact that it is a drugstore brand and it's not even an ounce when most primers are. That shocked me, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to use this up because I'm a glutton for punishment, and I don't know, that's what we're going for. It looks like a nail polish to me. Like, I do think it's really cute. I love the packaging. I don't love this little spatula because I feel like, I mean, I don't know, it is flexible, but it doesn't go down all the way. I just feel like getting product out once you use the first like half up is going to be a complete nightmare. This is why you buy the spatty, people. This is why. I'll link that down below, don't worry about it. I really like this though. I'm excited to try it. I think it's beautiful. It's like honey and gold, and this is just one of those things everybody talked about for so long, so we're gonna give it a go. Okay, that is my update. It's not super exciting. I'm gonna have to watch other people's updates videos and figure out how they're making this exciting, because I feel like it's only 4 products and we only started this a month ago. I'm shocked, honestly, that I managed to finish up 1 product, even if it was like a super teeny tiny product. So hopefully next month I will have more updates for you. Hopefully, maybe, I don't know. If you are doing this project, let me know in the comments down below how you're doing. Have you used anything up yet? Am I just going crazy because of this whole thing? I genuinely don't know. I genuinely don't know. Let me know down below though. If you're not doing this project, but you like Harry Potter, let me know what your favorite Harry Potter movie is, because I feel like this has divided the Harry Potter crowd for years. I'm not gonna tell you what mine is. Let me know what yours is. Maybe I'll tell you what mine is. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Let me know what yours is though. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I will catch you next time. Have a good one. Bye.